Hey guys, you are watching Rameem Daim Arts. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are well. Let's start our new video. Nose drawing. Guys, don't do this. Never draw a direct outline of any image. Let's start. Yes, begin your nose drawing by sketching a basic outline of its shape. A common approach is to start with a simple triangular form where the base represents the nostrils. Pay attention to the proportions. The width and the length of the nose vary from person to person. Establishing the fundamental shape provides a foundation for the more detailed elements. Guys, once the basic shape is in place, focus on defining the nostrils and the bridge of the nose. Draw the nostrils as two small ovals or circles on either side of the base. Connect them with a curved line of the for the bridge, and consider the angle and curvature of the bridge as this varies between individuals. Be mindful of the nuances that make each nose unique. Shading is crucial for adding depth and dimension to your nose drawing. As you can see guys, identify the primary light source in your sense and shade the areas where shadows naturally occur. The sides of the nose, underneath the nostrils, and along the bridge are common areas. For shading, use varying pressure on your pencil to create a gradual transition between light and shadow. Giving your nose a realistic three-dimensional appearance, and you can also use eraser and any tool for highlights, and focus on detailing the tip and wings of the nose to enhance realism. I hope guys you like this video. I hope you must try this method, and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Press the bell icon also, and stay connected guys for more further videos.